Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put forward edge in neutral easy method. With the parking brake set, place the key to accessory or run, hold the brake firmly, and move the shifter to neutral. If there is a shift lock button, press it while shifting. Confirm the dash readout shows N and the vehicle rolls freely on a flat surface. Practice safely and keep your foot on the brake until ready to move. If the shifter is locked, locate the shift lock access cover beside the gear lever and pry it off gently with a flat tool. Insert a small screwdriver or key into the override slot and press down to release the lock. Keep the brake depressed, then move the shifter into neutral while holding the override. Replace the cover after shifting and verify the transmission shows N on the instrument cluster before releasing the brake. If you like these quick how-to's, please subscribe and hit like to support more car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your interior smelling great after handling neutral procedures. Check the description for the link and other deals and accessories that can help. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Always prioritize safety when placing your vehicle in neutral. Use wheel chocks on slopes and keep the parking brake engaged until you are certain the car will not roll. Stay attentive with your foot near the brake and be ready to reapply it or restart the engine if the situation changes. Avoid performing this procedure in traffic, on wet pavement, or while turning to reduce the risk of losing control or causing an accident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.